All right, so I got my shipment today for the K-Swiss Gary Vee edition, and I'm gonna unbox it and show you what it's about. So I saw the ad on Facebook, and it was his line where he talks about optimism and positivity, which I am a big fan of, because I think optimism is so important, and positivity is always a must. Okay, so I'll just have you see this. All right, so you can see Gary Vee's signature in here. And let's see right there, you can see it. There you go. All right, let's do this. So you're gonna be the first to see this with me. So that's what the inside looks like. His signature. So that's what the shoe looks like. So it's pretty sick. So it says optimism and positivity. Looks really cool. Let's see what it looks like. Cool. This shows. You can see inside it says positivity, and positivity, you see that there. Here's the red line shoe. That's a really cool feature. I love it. And so yeah, so you could be up with your kicks up and have the red bottoms, which is nice. Okay. And also, it has his signature right here, and same here. All right, so I'm gonna try these on. You can see what it looks like. So I got a size 7.5, and you know, I don't wear a lot of statement clothes that have messages, but I dig it when people do. And I saw this and I figured, hey, you know, I could use a new pair of kicks. And in the meantime, while looking down my shoe, it's always a reminder, you know, maybe if I have a funky day or something, you know, something I don't like happens or whatever, I could always remember positivity and optimism. So let's see what this looks like. So you'll see my cool Gueco socks. This is my real estate company that I'm a team of. So, oh, look how cool this is. This shows positivity here, and then optimism. Really cool. So there's messages all over this thing, and then this is the one that shows optimism. And these two statements I really go by, and so far these shoes feel really good on my feet. Very comfy. Let's see, let's put on the other ones. I like it. I do. I think it's true to size. So I ordered a 7.5, and the size actually fits perfect. So yeah, good job, Gary Vee. Good job, K-Swiss. I should undo this more, but here we go. I love all the details of it. The inside, the outside, even here where it comes to the shoelaces. So here we go. This shows the, I don't know if you see that, Gary Vee. So this is what it looks like on shoes, so that's cool. I dig it. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so anyway, these are my new kicks. I'm enjoying them. And thanks for being part of the whole unboxing day with me. All right, hope you get a pair.